Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Outlook and Windows can show pop-ups. Open Outlook, go to File, then Options, and choose Mail. Enable desktop alerts and set a clear sound. Once done, switch to Windows settings and check Focus Assist. Make sure it's off or set to priority only so alerts aren't suppressed. You're doing this first because notifications require both app and OS permission. Without both, pop-ups won't appear even if Outlook is configured correctly. Next, refine how messages trigger pop-ups by creating rules. Open Home, select Rules, then Manage Rules and Alerts. Create a rule for messages you care about and set it to display a desktop alert, assign a category, mark importance, and play a specific sound so you instantly recognize type. Also verify the rule applies to subfolders and the inbox. Make sure Focused Inbox doesn't hide messages you expect alerts for, because rules act on where mail lands, so adjust accordingly to guarantee consistent pop-ups. Finish by testing. Send yourself several test emails that match your rules and watch for desktop alerts and sounds. If you don't see pop-ups, open Windows Notifications and Actions and confirm Outlook is allowed to show banners and sounds. Once done, restart Outlook. If problems persist, rebuild your Outlook profile or run Office Quick Repair. One key troubleshooting tip: if alerts still fail, disable Focus, Assist, and sign out, then back into Windows. This often clears stuck notification permissions and restores pop-up behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.